What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Waddle Dee from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to draw an oval going out in an angle. So start from the very top, come down towards the bottom left, round this out and go back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap and draw the same size oval on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top over on the right side, come down towards the same height, go around the outside and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top of each eye. So on the left, come all the way around towards the bottom and back up. Let's go to the bottom of each eye and add a curve or glare. And it will fill the center of the eyes in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's draw the top half of the face. From the left side of the eye, we're going to step out. We're going to draw a half circle going up above the eyes. I'm just going to stretch this out a little bit further on the right, coming down towards the same height. Let's go back to the side and curve the cheek, going out and then down. And we're going to layer the foot on top of the head. So we're going to draw another larger oval going out in an angle towards the left. So we're going to start by going up toward the top of the foot, come down toward the bottom of the heel, round this out and go back up towards the top. Let's add a curve across the edge of the foot. We're going to start from the top, we're going to bend this in, come down and blend that out. Now I want to go back over towards the right side. We're going to curve the cheek. We're going to go out, come around the bottom of the face and then in behind the foot. Now over on the side of the eyes, we're going to add two ovals for the cheeks. Let's start with the one on the left, going all the way around and back up. Let's line this up over on the right side. Now from here we draw the outside of the head. Let's start from the left side, going up, round up the head, and then bring that down towards the right. Let's layer the arm on top. So we're going to step in, then the arm going out, round this out, and then pull that back in. Now we're going to go back to the foot. We're going to draw the bottom of the body. We're going to come down, round this out. Now I just want to pull this up underneath the arm. Now we're going to layer the right foot in behind the body. So we're going to start down here and draw a half oval. Coming down at an angle, round this out, and pull that back up towards the body. And then on the top left, we're going to raise the arm. Let's start from the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Waddle Dee from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.